Today, we will take you through a series of customer service interaction in three key sectors of the hospitality industry: hotels, restaurant, and travel agencies. Each scene will demonstrate professional communication, warm guest interaction, and excellent service skills, essential elements in the hospitality field. But before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves.
Hello, Marita Lisi. I am Angel Francesca Matulog. Mara Luisa Carampot. I'm Christine Alia Herrera. I'm Jeneline E. Amante. Sheena May Parabumakita.
I'm 30 Manalo Taligon.
And we are the group.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Horizon Hotel. May I help you with your luggage?
Yes, thank you. I have reservation under Sheena May Parabumakita.
Of course, Miss Kita. Let me escort you to the front desk for check-in. This way.
Good afternoon, Miss Kita. Welcome to Grand Horizon Hotel. May I have your ID and reservation number, please? Thank you. You booked a deluxe skinny room for 3 days, right? Is it correct? Yes. Wonderful. Your room is on 8th floor with a view of city lights. Here your key card and welcome drink voucher.
Afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jeneline Amante who will escort you to your room. This way, ma'am. Ma'am, let me show you around. The Wi-Fi credentials are on the desk. The air conditioning can be adjusted from this panel. If you need extra towel or room service, just dial 0. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Enjoy your staycation, Miss Kita.
Welcome to the Holiday Restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Yes, under Angel Di Matula.
Yes. Right this way. Good evening, Ms. Matula. I'm Alia. I will take care of you tonight. Would you like to start with something to drink? Here's our menu.
A glass of red wine, please, and I'd like to share the special.
Certainly, tonight we have pork steak with mashed potatoes and roasted chicken served with garlic mashed potatoes.
I'll have the steak. Thank you.
How's everything, Ms. Matula?
It was delicious. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Here's your bill. Thank you for dining us tonight, ma'am.
Good morning. Welcome to Wonder White's Travel Agency. How can I assist you today?
I'm looking for a plan on vacation in Japan on September.
Wonderful choice. Let's sit down and go over some packages we have. Here are the 3 popular options we have. A 7-day cultural tour in Kyoto, a Tokyo shopping with tech experience, and mixed itinerary with Mount Fuji and Osaka.
I love the cultural tour in Kyoto.
Excellent choice. It includes hotel, guided tours, and daily breakfast. And we also take care of your flights and transfers. Everything is set. You receive a full itinerary, booking confirmation, and a 24-hour hotline number in case you need support during your trip.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Our pleasure. Have a fantastic journey and feel free to call us for any future travel plans.